Okay, so if you ever get the dreaded error code on the Truma CP Plus panel, normally it reads something like E517H. It may need a boiler reset, or just as a precaution, do a reset anyway. It's not faulting at the moment, so I can't show the red light, but I will talk you through it. So what you do, you come to your boiler, your Truma boiler, which is normally under the offside settee at the front, and you get a panel here, just to cover. So remove the cover, you sort of slide it up and it will just simply pop off. Then, it's not going on at the moment because we're not faulting, but you will see a red light just here. Under these two yellow wires, there's a little brown push button here. So what you do, you press and hold this button in, and as soon as you see the amber light, quickly take your finger off. And then it will flash amber red, amber red. Once it goes green, this is reset. What you will then have to do is go back up to the CP Plus panel above the door, the control panel, and reset the panel as well. We'll show you how to do that in a later video, and hopefully that will get rid of that dreaded error code.